Hello, my name is Ahana Barreto, and I represent the organization Zuventus Healthcare Limited. Today, yes, I came for my visit to this particular place where Niramai had invited me for the inauguration of their Kishori Shakti project, the camp that they conduct every year. It is quite overwhelming and it feels quite great to see the vision of Niramai when they particularly say the fact that they believe in girl, child, or probably women's education. And that is something that we really want our girls to take away. We really want our girls to believe in themselves, become independent. And that's the best thing I liked about Niramai's vision. No doubt I'm representing Juventus, but looking at the way, the warmth, the care, the affection that this team has in, nurturing the girls, nurturing the talent, guiding them, showing them that career path where they need to go ahead and get that kind of a success in life. That's hats off to Niramai, I must say. And the beautiful exhibition that I just inaugurated and I witnessed today, looking at the talent, the skill, because all of these things are covered in their different programs that they conduct in their respective locations by the teachers who are working closely with the संस्था. So rangoli se leke lot of crafts, lot of Diwali decor that I seen. And it was so surprising because I used to see all of these things getting sold in the market in lots of money, but these effort that these kids have put in, they also go ahead and ensure that their education is sponsored with this money as well that they make. So they believe in sharing, caring, nurturing. And all I want to say is please continue this journey, continue this vision. I'm glad to be a part of it today. Wishing Niramai all the best and all the girls who are under the same roof and umbrella to get success in life wherever they are. That's it.